Welcome back to Great Day Washington. Now, are you tired of living with chronic pain? You are not alone because millions of Americans suffer from pain. And our next guest says you don't have to suffer anymore.
Yes, start on the path to a pain-free life with Dr. M. Scott White, D.C. He is the founder of New Life Laser, and he's here again with us today. Hey, Doctor,
hey,
good to have you back.
Good to see you. Hey, I want to talk about, I've got a guest.
Yeah.
Rob Henson. We're going to talk about him.
The Redskins.
What?
Oh, okay. All
Okay,
right.
well, since we're going to do that, Megan,
Yes, doctor.
who's better looking, me or Chris? You can whisper.
Well, first of all, this question was not prompted beforehand.
Here.
I think Chris.
I knew it.
Yes, of course. It's because of the bow tie. You know it. I'm a stickler for that.
Hey, listen, I want to talk about robotic deep tissue laser.
Okay.
Now, 32 years in practice, this is the most amazing procedure I've ever used or seen. It's transdermal. There's no cutting, there's no downtime, there's no pain, but it's an amazing tool for getting rid of pain. And the neat thing about it is we can use it on any area of the body except for the eyes. So tell me, what's the #1 area in the body where people have pain?
I know what the answer is.
I don't yet. Can I guess?
It's actually, you know what? Aside from the common cold, this is what people go to the doctors for most.
Is it the knee or the back?
It is the back.
The back.
Okay.
That's
Yes.
good. What's the second thing?
The knee.
Yes.
Woohoo!
So look, here's the deal.
I know my pain.
No prizes today. But here's the deal. The deal is back problems. It doesn't matter if it's degenerated spine, disc disease, disc herniations, bulges, spinal stenosis. We run 86 to 92% success. So it's an amazing tool to get rid of pain. Again, there's no downside. Knees, we get most of our knee patients 40 to 70% better, even when it's, you know, what people term bone on bone, where they have a lot of arthritis.
Ooh.
So the name of the game is getting rid of pain, but it's more than that. What's the cause of pain in the body? I know you know this.
It's inflammation.
Inflammation. So there's a lot of ways to get rid of inflammation. You know, you can take a steroid shot. For 4 years, I did that. We had, you know, I didn't do it, but I had an anesthesiologist on staff, and we did these steroid shots. And you can make people feel a lot better. But there's a downside to it. There's no downside to this. It cannot hurt you in any way, and it's very effective at getting rid of pain. Most of our patients actually feel better even after the first treatment, so it's amazing. But you know, it's quality of life is what we're talking about. If you're younger, listen, pain in your body is not normal. If you're having pain in your body, don't ignore it. You know, there's something wrong. If you're taking pills to cover it up and it comes back, you're not getting to the root of the problem. So the laser is a great tool to get rid of pain, but also to turn on stem cells, cause cell regeneration, and cause problems to actually heal. So having said that, I'd like to talk about Rob Henson.
Yeah,
my
the
guest.
football player.
Could you put up a picture? Rob played for the Washington Redskins. There he is. Handsome
big
guy.
guy. Yeah.
And could you put up the second picture? This is my favorite picture.
I can only imagine how many injuries he's gone through.
So
Yeah,
could I see the second picture?
they put their
now
body through a
this
lot
is
of
my
stuff.
favorite picture of Rob
Okay.
Henson. He's taped to the goalpost. This was his rookie year. Now, you know, Rob had these professional football players. Their lives sometimes can be something different than ours.
Sure.
And so he had
lavish.
something. Yeah, he had something come up. Couldn't be here, so I brought a football instead. But I do want to talk.
That's Rob in his place.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is Rob, and I do want to talk about him because the whole point of bringing him on was I treated so many areas on this guy. These professional athletes have so many opportunities to hurt themselves that maybe we don't. But if it can work for those guys, you know, most likely it can work for the regular guys too.
And he got back in
Right.
the field after? He was able to move fine as far as, you know,
Yeah,
all
but
of
let's
his
not
body
talk
goes?
about Rob anymore.
Okay. All right.
Well, I think it's interesting, you
We're
know,
off
the
of him.
laser, we've come so, you know, far in so many years. Before you had to be taped against a goalpost. Now you have a robotic laser, and I'm sure it's a very, very good.
He doesn't
procedure.
want to talk about him anymore, Chris.
Listen, you know what I was going to do? You dodged a big bullet because I was going to have him show us the proper way to tackle, and this guy was a devastating tackler, and guess what? You were going to be the victim.
I would have loved that. Are you kidding me?
But anyway, so the whole thing is, look, it's quality of life. If you have pain, you know, I've had people tell me on the phone, I've tried everything. You haven't tried everything unless you've tried this robotic deep tissue laser. And some people say, well, I did laser years ago. Listen, this is the most advanced, incredible tool as far as laser is concerned. Again, no cutting or downtime, cause tissue regeneration, not just getting rid of pain. And there's just absolutely a huge upside to it. And you know, pain in the body is not normal. So it doesn't matter if you're young or you're old. People say, well, gosh, I'm 70 years old, I'm 80 years old, can I still heal?
Can do
If
it.
you are breathing, you can still heal.
And to your point, you know, taking pills, it's masking everything, so it doesn't hurt to just call you. Where do we go for more information?
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to call 1-888-PAIN-FREE. That's 1-888-PAIN-FREE. Now listen, Monday is President's Day, right?
Yes, it
And
is.
if you're off on Monday, we are open. So we've got people standing by for the next 2 hours. You can call in. That first visit is completely my gift to you, which means bring anything you have. If you have records, if you have MRIs, if you have x-rays. If you don't, we'll do diagnostic tests if we need to.
And even though he couldn't get Rob here today, he's having President Trump right there in your office. I'm just kidding. Hey, thank you so much, Doctor, for coming in.
So here's the deal. 1-888-PAIN-FREE.
Yep.
Completely no charge first visit. Call within the next 2 hours and get scheduled.
Okay,
Sounds
thank you
good.
so much. You see that number on your screen. All right, we've got more to come on the Today's Show. Still to come is